What's up, guys? It's about 9:30 at night, and I just want to say welcome to the vlogs. They are back as of tonight. I finally found out some editing software I can actually do on my phone versus using my GoPro. Now, don't get me wrong. Now, the GoPro is great, for taking videos, but there's so much stuff here from my phone that I can actually do, and I'm actually on mobile right now. I just got done with the car meet here about 30 minutes ago. It was huge, and guys, I want you to check out the videos I'll be posting them here in a second. So I just want to, give you a little intro. This is what this video is. Just a couple videos. Just one car taking off, But I'm trying this out, see how this works. It's new editing software I'm using, so hopefully it works out great. And I want to give a shout out to my friend, my cousin, Tyler. Thank you for this app. It's pretty awesome. I will be, if you can, guys, just subscribe to his channel. It's called that Snapchat Yellow C6, I think is what it is. And I will post it here in 1 minute, and you'll see it. So, thank you. Enjoy the videos.
Is that your height?
I think my door changed on mine now.
That smells like 110, but I don't know.
We're on one.
I don't know what's one. No, I think that's the maybe.